Alright, okay, welcome back. This is the last question and answer for 2020 Igbo L2 past question that they just wrote. NECO, Igbo NECO 2020 past question, L2. So we're going to continue from 56 to 60. So it's a 60 question. It should be either part 6 or so. So look up for other parts in this channel. You'll be able to see them. I really specify them 2020 question. Past question. Okay? Number 56 here. Ọgwụ ole dị na eserese a? When looking at that picture, you know that is a hole. They are now asking, how many holes do you see here? The answer is B, which is abụọ, 2. Okay, number 57 says, Kedu aha eserese a? What is the name of this drawing? The answer is D, which is oche. D, which is oche. Okay, number 58. Gịnị ka ụmụ akwụkwọ abụọ a na-eme? Okay, what is this student that's drawn there? What are they doing? This is the question they were asking you. Okay, the answer is A, agụ akwụkwọ. A, agụ akwụkwọ. They are reading. Okay, number 59. Gịnị bụ aha eserese a? What is the name of this drawing? May looking at it, you know that the answer is B, which is iko. Iko, which is cup. Okay, the last one says, Kedu ihe eji eserese a eme? What do they use this drawing that you are seeing to do? May looking at it, you will know. The answer is E, which is esi nri. Okay? So this is where we'll call it a day for 2020 Igbo language L2 past question. So please do want to subscribe to our channel. Click on that bell icon so anytime we release videos, you'll be notified. With this channel, we do a lot of things, just subscribe to it. You cannot imagine the kind of educational and business, entrepreneurship, skills acquisition videos that we'll be making for you. Just subscribe and share this video out. If you have any question, ask us question. We'll be able to respond to you. Thank you very much for your time. God bless.